PRO for Lands and Natural Resources Ministry no ewa ha na openi eye Kabore ewa ha sei na menene ebe twetwen komo kakra galamsey ho nsem no aye nsem bebre so hu wono ene kasa de ma Lands and Natural Resources Minister Fachemi or ye spokesperson for the Lands and Natural Resources Minister. Me can PR Campijano Akusi Mahmud Kabore. Good morning.
Yeah, bro.
Bibi Abokode.
Adom
Minister Hoye.
Nami Adom Ora Makofibu no Hoye.
Is it Ghana? Ana weche na chikakra.
Ghana. Only the one say Ejuma no said Ejuma Edman don't know Ghana. It's rather unfortunate say no Korea as environment minister. You know, when you have a lot of environmental conferences, because apart from that, almost all the time when he's in the country, I say a bone in the happen to Rikaba, Irakotoko Hiniho. Kasana Juma Diama media, when she have a Kahobi.
Okay.
And Santa Maria Shidano Kusa and meeting me aka will feed the cases so bra means it's been 1 year of progressive leadership. It's been 1 year of impactful leadership. Meeting me Metina Hamfans Union and Mukasan and when you say Gadansi to a trap. But Akoko de meeting me aka say Afini you must sworn Rama Kufibu Abo as your honor. Sentrene papa shasia efremuba adwuma no nsan e be talk so dia ahonfama pa ene nkodin asom Ghana for botai ne ba kope say ndan so da kro de nanka yesu ni nyina ni atese yiwan ekofuma mfanso nkobiem na kwaye no asasi ne dada moya habam no mabuna nya adwuma ye na krumu ye da masumbi so ye de aba that is urama kofibu abota and when him say TBA and said nanom ne sentwerefo Ghana for time chidie inshallah okay say obaye in Mahama 1 na a major problem in so obey energy minister no the doom so is a thing of the past
right
Mahama number 2 a major problem here galamsey ono so dey san dey ashe nsa as ono dey am say nyamia CC no so go say problem be o man room no dey ashe nsa and me so
right medase but first of all who say maybe or try to put forth certain restrictions on quite fast for eton aban in Sase.
That's right.
And Sano Mano. And I learned over 4,000 state lands. Yatoto. Ebo so ayeto no kura so nyabo papa. Mame fam free asi en free ho. How serious is that situation? Na minister minim so on nam himfo na sansa si akodididi omo nsem akoye sa o hawi because serious metinam say 4,000 to mine ni ni so ade hunu ade be bibia da chenche say amanfo magin kono onya will mfama wo mo abusuafo ana say ede na ekoso
akọ beda say o we kai say yetu abawe amampanin de nkrata bi ba bonten so senka my Ghana Sase I have buying Sase then fata bonto so she turn home processes nyina enti osise na mamu wie ya Rama Kofubu abaswe ho o she dey say onto ba so ku bi na inye hwehwemu into sales of public lands
right
enti otiko no de deputy minister here Ura Alhaji Yusuf Sulemana Bole Bambo MP deputy minister eto no as chairman. Now, between the year 2017 to 2024, you share lease application of 8,160.
8,160. Okay.
Now, I heard about that they say they can 4,176 direct transactions. So they enjoy buying the near Twamobi. Mumbai 2,799 a different regularization.
Okay.
Regularization is a ebia Mrs. say akwakoyo kurubiso hene. Na asase bi da mantwe na mfo say na na odia. Na me no abeka na mato. We mo say say ya ban dia.
Okay.
And don't say oh wow we ko ya regularize amount okay. And say the
amount.
Sapepepe.
Okay.
And ye wo 108 land swap any PPAs and only and about hydrogen power. And no Asante Mantem Grand India him. Hey, okay, Act 1036 a year subsection 235, right. Section 235, subsection 4. Or say the assassin state institution and now state company be a say be a DVL, say be a works and housing,
right?
Say be a university be. Now assassin you only have usage right. The mouse fire and no one between the assassin.
Say be also the baby bunzu
fire bunzu and also would be sit down for sit down.
Okay.
So I dream by say be as I be or would you find out the chrono until no assassin who here be person do more for just as baby. It is not your power to do that.
Oh, sir.
I was say all right, the common minister of lands, not the cabinet. Okay. The cabinet is 2 months sana. But I'm say state institution do not know money go so. Typical example, Udrun Kraya 37 he will be another DVL office in the city.
Yeah.
And they say many private man be a swap it. I'm out the Omako Hachu. New office now Hachu no.
And no number
because this is a prime land.
Yenyan is also.
Enti Korean was the free nippon kase. The massage no ebia media I buy dia no. Afedia me de ma ebia Kabore company. Menene swap it. Na Kabore company akoma mi asase o ebia danyame. Dabi.
Okay.
You can only do that when you have express a friend is saying instruction and I say confirmation from the Minister of Lands. I don't know what you to me every cabinet.
Right.
About sentimentum, say by wa ha, and then what tree, was sentimentum ha. I go through sa PPA, any land swap wa minister na only more. Na yo hawa.
So those lands no ya na ye ne den ye gi ade ana say ye ja mo musa.
So no the Abasan you have to look into it. And until sa investigation in audit is of concern.
Okay.
Out of the 8,160 obi bia otimi wie in the process onya land title.
Kafra.
Ati for vancheme. Obi bia otimi wie process na otimi nya the land title no. You see still you be subject to value for money and process audit on case by case basis.
And not stressing.
It is tell you our quotas as we kuru so amaya sase 30,000 Ghana cedis. And our buy sase krono ano our quoto bi cantonment 30,000 Ghana cedis. And ya adwene mfa. Cantonment wo krono so me nua pani obo ma akwakoto bi $1 million. Who the auto the 30,000 Ghana cedis. And ya adwene nko.
Right.
So based on prevailing market price benchmark no crab say obi boa ma ubu o minor
fans. Say nipa no ato dada kra still ye be ma na twa de aka na.
It doesn't matter. No ye be hwe na untumi ntwa bi nka ho ya hotire afiri wonsa. Na omo tiri nye kra omo de omo agency ase na omo nyenya title na de the recommendation of the committee a cabinet approving say we deem all those processes all applications as cancelled.
All right.
Yeah, what Minuka say we have about 5,000 applications. I don't know, and go through. So about 5,000 public lands there. Yeah, what did you say?
I miss out this question. Edintina, most of these lands, no, man for Oshimwa, now utie ni eko na kwa see be politicians, any businessmen ya. Sebi omo na ewusika wukrumu ananso omo ntimi ntue sika kese enya asase obere kura no yesi sika dia ma no kura sebe me ametiwe bi kura nka metimi ato na ye dia mani panesa because a state lands into your links na ya ne ase dia ya che e dia fa no e dia ne ma wo munya motivation timi yes ade no because ye dwene ho ayentiase you as citizens ye dwene ho ayentiase
oh say many of yempeni for no so munya kwanya se yensomo a omwura fi omho said there is a vast difference between position and possession. Ye do a good dear bibia no se hwe ho and say dey ade amount say ye wo dey different enti mre ni nka so ya no omwura fi
right
na senya sa ade your mind dey ade eye dey na opese o fade ye wo dey fade adamfo abusua nyonko dia said the wukai.
Yeah.
And can you count more muko baokra, bona mukobi? Dinkamuna medimadi bawadi.
Yeah.
Then so was that devaluing when you crowd the free.
Sure.
And sometimes it's that arrogance of power no aye can be a small little girl near Thomas as in prime area mano. Now no na mo see a kuhwie. The wabo bra won kra asase. Also ya the amount maybe the amount 30,000 Ghana cedis. Na ne Apollonia asase kra say na transaku. Kaso asase kra say na transaku. How and I'm happy.
Yeah.
So I share Omanpenima and the code of ethics conduct our dear man appointees. Not even this review on recent public lands recommendations in our Banibia. Do you know so both prohibits government officials from buying public lands going forward?
Wow. That's
yeah, but come cry, Marakesia actually say, if you're a public. If you're a politician and answer or you're a public servant, because when him, you say, but the processes are the same. Will be fetched by processes and the same. But technocrat not the Lands Commission. Now, me mako within the Mahmud Kabore, spokesperson to the minister. As I say, who say, but be a dan me pay, me now I see $50,000. Massa, missing your spokesperson. Na akwano oba o feels $50,000 no besa go to ehun me mfe kura ya do go to 5,000 cedis.
Sure.
Osuro obonadwuma ho bai but yes ye ntimi ntobi di a me ko obi fufuro bo okọ as Ghana ni se sheye da ho no na odi ne be de odi fo to me alhamdulillah one to me no akọ ba fufuro ko group no go sibi na ye kama enti how but I believe in sheye dey go akwa e bi ebunim say minister have been able to convince cabinet and ministry of finance for the first time nka afi muni na no lands commission etonton ni transaction obey nyina no
okay
or the 67% co-consolidated fund
no okay kwa buying for two
nanka buying the other things
right.
But he has been able to convince and they yet 100% retention
tie diskani nyina
my lands commission.
Wow.
33% ya omudi man dey omudi adada but 67% na buy the maye no they targeted 2 projects. One, digitalization of land administration and services.
Okay.
2, the land banks are can ho asem.
Digitalization on administration, how is it going to be?
We want to get to a point akukwa nye wan wan say ohene klubi so hene nana mo adaru manye mu nyina bi mo adabusu apeni bi asase ba kwa to manipa nwotwe.
Yeah.
But if we are able to digitalize our land services and administration, with just your phone and clicking a button, you should be able to know say coordinate your imagina so as imagina so there. That's why I'm behind that. But what I say,
yeah.
Obi kura as I say we work register. That no remember we be a reho some of me new penny, me communication officer or should be.
Yeah.
The young could be na what as central region. Baba wanu could do say assassin no go register. Obi so obey 6,000 Ghana cedis.
Hey,
you hear me cry? I said, no, baby, or no cry. It's a new 5,000. But digitalization, with just your phone, you should be able to know all the fees and charges on your phone digitally.
Wonderful.
Which is easier, reducing the human interface and the corruption now, woman. With just you can sit here and apply for your land title. Me konebra bibi in the passport nyina ye dia.
Now what me payment online.
We do it. In fact, they are even moving to a point when you send the auto car. Now go digital register. Can any aswan krata bebre amount. And no me nyina de go card ba ko peso. Card get say.
No crowd.
And the card is bibia also be.
Wow.
We are getting to a point where all of these things will be doable. And the land bank is a very important project.
Right.
Meaning penny puma peso ye fu assassin okonyabuwe. Okoye kurabusu ebi ne netwe ohene bi ne netwe. But this time, Ministry of Lands, they are buying the say first is but never do any. That's who say reserve. How can't we demarcate those areas as banks? Now, cook what person here for such a front planes and you feel that no, he be because in case All you need to do is to come to the Lands Commission na share what such a from place. Any agric department me pass as AB 100 hectares a year full. You know why say ya kwachira asase no kwa ejuma. Say afi na pa abind the lease for afi. It's a way of also working to improve on our food security and also ensuring say young people can have access, especially a ma. A ma are the most vulnerable when it comes to access to land for agricultural activities. And I feel the decentralization of the Lands Commission and Kasa.
Okay.
No one wants to be free accommodate. All the way to Kumasi, they have register Masase.
Just say regional capitals.
Why? Mikro so no be wasase wa Eurofia. Na waba sene so atebubu edwira mampon wabeduru asana waba Kumasi be year land registration.
That's stressful.
Last year we achieved 36% decentralized, 36 district new underserved district.
Okay.
Decentralized year. This year the target is 110.
And BBA offices.
Yeah, they call district level. But I think in answer by the end of this term, all 262, I guess 262 districts Okrumhano. Na Lands Commissioner share Okono.
That's
so
great.
that it gets the services gets to the doorstep of the people. Buakura ma pressure wo regional bi mu afa hona o mo adane ne for
go boys ni ade.
I
think it's a
one other thing we observed was the Form 5.
Okay.
Akoko, would you believe say almost every region in this country have a different Form 5. A different Form 5. I know na human discretion. Na bi mo fa so je kakra ni nyina ko. They say you trim Form 5 no as it stands now it's not working. Yeah, ba review near the papa you benya one uniform Form 5.
Form 5 na ade. In
fact, it's also part of the forms I fill for, but the honor na even in terms of how much you're paying near the capture the most one of the most important details.
Yeah.
But that's a region be our day. You see a Benya uniform one you be publish your website Ghana Nibia can access it. Now I feel it. Now I go through Nina ya. That you when you know you need task force be ensure compliance for the first time in the history of this country, a Tiba will call Public Lands Task Force.
Okay.
To more, I may say, when your titles la Moland, ya council just as no, who my seminar task force on Drew Australia. And they knew in the community.
Almost better get a Langas for, right?
I mean, Langas is a problem why you know say between us here. But we have the more preliminary duty. Our first duty is to make sure say obi a yesi asase we ye investigation we and ye Jeffrey so ye timi age obi a ne de engine no obi anko ha no e wie na say ye wie process we nyina na Langas that so your how okrum ha Langas those private nyina say Langas ho no kwan pa betimi de no so afa so but for now their mandate is to make sure say the equity will be whole so no we should be able to get that land back.
I'm happy to hear all these things on lands, especially with the digitalization. I say no, and no necessarily high. Now, on say me bo video be crisis.
Yeah.
Where I mean, someone is dead and all that. Galam say no, ekono. See, Drew saying because. Share Nkurasi baby and now to say, oh, I had ye, if we say Galamsey hotspot, in Jinka Bayania Kohanke, Bekohananke of him. But a man for still, what would you acquire a friend say, Aquasisos, yeah, and Wako Topitimu, then say, Omugusu Tum Amanano, Hona, almost saying Sassenoa. What is happening? 9 months, effective, and then we don't get it.
I go to meet my car of education so send a medical chassis.
Yeah.
Galamsey is a 2 year. Because say 2 Galamsey I say and I'm in no more. Man funny dear crab my tea for. No more Galamsey conform. As part of government strategies I deco Galamsey, I dear Bako I can say kakra. The alternative. Akoko baby will be annual dano. Opa for bomb to ho. Once that is a point of survival for the person, we are then obesanko. And nothing ye say, ye in fact, it will near bank where you can
Okay.
Na mmom say the fanti ko dua mpoano na fanti be kwa afare suosu nti yesi fanti be didi pomudia. Ade na ye asante nzema gonja ekodua sika kokko so omo de muntumi didi sika kokko. So let's create an alternative within the mining field. Because akokwa the wako galamsey pe akonya no 5 blade ni 4 blade wo hu 10,000 dano. Ono ka say alternative no ye yankopam dwom facility ne kaba onfiu. Ono ka chance be dia asase kodo bru ne twen boso miensa onfiu.
Right.
Until it's better you create an alternative, but this time with environmental conservation as your hallmark.
Okay. How?
Any day responsible cooperative mining a buy.
Okay.
But my main can will feel the case admitting it on national platforms say Sanchi say no catch kakra.
Right.
Him say bibia no the bia no hold so.
Yeah.
O share the tragedy that got associated with the project of Granoa. It has its own negative repercussions on the program.
Sure.
Say ye kwa pound national project na nipa beye nwotwe nka bi nhemu ya sa my project no kwedu ba bi na say ababa ye busuefuo bi wo ka ho asem kura da ne ka enti yes ama a delay, but in the coming days, in the coming weeks, we are adapting a new strategy.
Okay.
It's been difficult to mobilize these young people because they don't even believe it. Now no other community man they drew honum. Now you can't even differentiate between an nene galamsey. Yes, a community man the could be dear to some ranty or home in this so fast. Now party pedophobe na this so far. Now no more can cry no, they don't believe it.
Yeah.
So we're working with Minerals Commission. They say the AN say yebe baby asase a mineralize.
Right.
Nso bia meho. Kwa ye bia meho ne aba bia manso a. Manso akwasi sofo. Free ne eko nyina no. Wo ebe hu se wo gina kwan ho. Wo ebe hu se wo gina nsubonti we hu. Wo ebe hu se wo gina dotto we mu. Ye be chew. Obia nkwa asase we so. Ye de somewhat ne bibia akosi ho no. Containers near the first aid near the changing room in our corner. So once they are all able to move them down, there's believability in the project.
Yeah.
Now one day pet the Minerals Commission, Water Resource Commission, EPO, all the team back up. The registered leadership, the registered members, the NIPO hold what kind of PPE are they supposed to use? Method no crown send the guide do more.
Okay.
Makes it easy.
Right.
I bet my Juma no ako and sabi. Baby or me will be as ho. A bema sa create katrika wing and that's why because it's becoming very difficult for us to mobilize. Now Monsua Okoya ya ni aba. Oh, as I see we made the Nkrata Minerals Commission say me propose akotoso we do not more year champion attaching Sasenken Tesono. This operation ever in the next few days and it's government of Ghana operations.
Okay.
Nti ye hwe mu obi emfa ne kaka message dwanam who feel say legitimate case go to court.
Okay.
Nkofo bi so deliberately is frustrating the process.
Aden.
Oko do asase so na fi no de nkrata bi okọ search na asuma si din was aden a or the proposal to not the proposal to so na ban fa mawa. What does it then I feel say odia. Even prospecting, even prospecting here, the prospecting license amount now what default to even 1 month of ground rent payment to Krano. It's tantamount to say, I revoke our prospecting lease.
But these are people, Omufin say they have authority. Ebi no more MPs. These
I was 70 say in the last 8 years, and all mineralized areas in this country, the Angrophobic FI.
Send a making.
And over and interestingly. They are so smart that yedim crophobia duabatabuo mpenifo
and making.
But I mean baby adruno that cooperative mining is an antidote.
Right.
Everything you solve bo ba ko betu dia kum no mamiensa.
Right.
One, youth employment. When say youth are mining areas nko yes, value chain is about 3 million Ghanaians. Yeah. Imagine say a cooperative is going to create about 2.7 million jobs.
Sure.
2, it is an antidote to everything you see galamsey na no kwata because any pano nya baabi a ahoye kon so nsuo ni wa yi ni ho na ebuana mana ye ni yi a onko nsuo no mu onko kwaye no mu nti kwaye ni nsuo no ye ya dadwene kese no ayese no ehonto no
yeah
ani nte ensinna da mu 3 even in terms of areas that large scale mining companies were AGA ne Obuasem Ranti the CA. Asanko ni tontokrum the CA. I have Kenya as in Nimo DSC. It is not limited to these areas, but be a mining company because you'll be a room community no money fine. But so mama and Sassini be in terms of large scale companies, near the idea cooperative yamo, no mudi or mushroom diem, now most would do mushroom diem. Even the friction between communities and large scale mining companies, so it's over.
Wow.
It will be a should contribute. Na cooperative in the coming days, operational committee, civilians, civilians, director of operations at the cooperative mining, and just one minerals commission person. The rest of them are military men.
Wow.
And my more typical is Amoko Banda Krubu Efro Banda Wewa.
Okay.
The people that work there, about 90% of the people that work there are Ivorians.
Omenye Ghanaians.
It is our chrono person cooperative mining. You have to clear the area first. Because what the Ghana for Krako, I'm not be seeing. And that is where military men are very important on the operational committee. Minister said, you know, Mabunu na no munson and I know on the 18th and 19th.
Yeah.
And at the maiden edition of Local Content Summit, Yekobiano or Takrade. Then you know, say, in terms of large scale, in terms of medium scale, in terms of small scale, even in terms of cooperative mining, Ghanaians should be invested in terms of mining contractors, suppliers, and all of that. Said the Bayazikano, Consibrunino, and now whoever is investing on Sanfani Nankonu. Yeah. Nazi can you be na rippling effect no open my supply contract say or supply ebia omo hauling trucks ties amomo open my we oba beto me board any view afram planes me so benya kakra koto cement wura so wa ko ye na je sika no nam guru but ye the ma sa India ni no sa Canadian no sa Russia no e ba sa kodukurum so no enti na ye encourage ya ye kurum hamrante ni bia kakra wo mu nsem say anyway anyhow o kakra no ekuta no especially these miners mumfa mo ho nhye especially this cooperative no go ye nkofa enye size enye skyrocketing bia eye mo a mo ye no an ye gada mo se na mo mu fidi a mo de se azase no ene sa fidi mu fa mbra nkyere mo kwampa mo de ya kotoko hene da obeda asantema da obeda thinking say so that no pa be nyen super dey
sure. I think it's a great initiative. Said the Okano, idea fair. Na, mo can say say a baby, no. Mo can say the results. People are not so fair. In fact, people are not so fair. But
I'm the one who interviewed me in your penny rasta.
Yeah, together.
He admitted say,
improvements are back across.
Yeah. Yeah, man, no mate, but I know she said the interventions being implemented. No, it's yielding positive results.
Right.
And no, by Ukraine say, Mama, continue to give more
to the people.
Right. And your paper so
right.
It will coupled with active Juma. Naimos, I'm telling you, is one of the best things that has happened to us.
Okay.
Yes, it's one of the best things. Now, Juma be any pay, no. And 100%.
Okay.
But NIMOS have proven, say indeed, what the professionals lead there. And it is so because NIMOS is predominantly professional.
Because more NIMOS we know.
Yes.
Adie man yeme one nesa adi we. I don't know whether Jeff you have it. NIMOS refuse you a bribe no. There's amount of money ne nyesika ketwa. I learned a yesika kesi pa even bondo ba kokora da ha no nti oba Facebook Jeff an alignment mami womo ya titi bebre but this one no in fact clear now the guy was really transacting with them.
I can even show you a lot of pictures.
They insisted that they were arresting more body cameras and now one they don't move phones we
have cameras, we know body cameras per se, we have military media as part of the team. The operation we are saying who's a Hanum from never hire you from their team that do the capturing. Okay. Now we are a operation we will order for us. Now will be a to car Bahonum or buy 1 million Ghana cedis fresh note. 1 million Ghana
that's can it 10 billion
10 billion engineer nja oni ye moano na no ano oda so or remand or cantonment police
munya no
yeah ikoye operation bi or win area ho no
okay
I shouldn't have mentioned the area
enyewe
I didn't know hini bi abase and no hini no dem
much no
it's 9 months is different. It's different. And all this morning, you're recording as exhibit. Yeah, it goes to operational plan pool.
About any can on that Facebook. Cash
was a cooperation. Was a cooperation. Yeah. And the same to the sea war Osino. Razak. Razak and say a question and Kara or P or Dinsika near the any chino. A chino also count. So now you can't say, yeah, check. Operators in India campaigns, and this is what we meant.
Wow.
Who campaign would dia grow bad na mina menkwara ni adia. Na no mi abe kwa ni na akwa bibi oho. Ba da za fi na man for me a party na mse medika ka chi o sha to.
Akwa ni scan doors pa.
119,000.
And that screen is no. This is serious. Yeah. Minim say wa ba fie. Wa ba fie kakra. Na oba ye no efie te sen within your party more babamu for about a year any air corner what are the calling background
so far so very good the medical person can say if you be so and send a drum kwansie a government that has returned from opposition in 8 years in just 1 year cannot satisfy all party people.
Okay.
And unti ya adum yen kakra no ye extend a helping hand to other people. Okay. It's the only way ebiti mama buto yam and satisfaction. Sometimes in Yesika it's just a phone call.
Almost almost frame kura monfa.
Sometimes just a phone call.
You finish almost frame kura.
So say you the na oni dwumadi no oni nitam kuta hodie no na ye de dwumadi bi for instance akokwa na me ne na mozofo nam subiri kwa bretum 3 days 2 nights 3 days non-stop offer no wanyam na obufu a no de na je say ma nyam hu a explain na je obeka say me na me mfa call but exceptional cases as much as possible let's try and pick up by so now no party I say start a reorganization on the 10th of February now started
okay
and the registration no cost akwanya o ho so obi o person obodo this in biano free na kopim a year 30th March dia obitim obodo na asante ana ye di information de bia dodo no ase Kabore yes me papa entry na Kabore de free ami mama abra do twumwa listen nimpo ene aja afre barima no wo fa ase ne se dwon mo free sakra wonu na ono mre bi etwam no ye nkroma chairman
okay
on provincial chairman wonu say John so be ye general secretary
okay
but in a different political party
right
and they did monti na say bi di amonyo semochi anya by accident a generational genes ni bi na aso ye so na sante de ye ba ye unim say in penny about no routine Alex Kwaku asafo aje no mu amoka me ono mo ni penifo ye didi o mo na ase asomo a ene ba bi aduru na em say mra so say aduru yen so
mo bra so
penifo do no am ye hu say communication o mo nko
oh okay
and akokwa obeje di say obeje tum say ba no communication so dia egusu aye no ya fam bia
yeah
sometimes it's not just about the message it's about how you deliver the message and I was here dia hombrasier nimum ye sekire kano no krem ama santima hunu say between the NDC and the MPP there nsunsun ye kese da mu a egina ho ama santem punto ne nkoso a ya anu ntimi mfo mo ho ntoto saa nkomodie no I was here dia hombrasier kofom chire mu with evidence. Right. Waiting na make us. Me feel say meet me at this anonym. So party na chairman hene was Santimante me could decide.
Now regional communications officer.
That's right.
Wow. Me fantastic. Oba as a spokesperson for Lands and Natural Resources Minister. I mean maintain who asim ibia and your communication is on point mostly. Your friend here we interview we say anopay what started abedru sabre and omo matiu nyina no what you are doing there, policies, everything is clear in terms of communication. Fantastic. But background, one who says support, no. So, sir, my wife is a sign. Be our nipa me and say be maybe omotawachi. And back in okay.
No credit. Say Asante, ye na ye super in terms of political constituencies. About 47 constituencies.
Right.
Na da abas na akwenya zo onko bi mu na ye regional communication retreat.
Okay.
Na ona so say ye nko bi. I was even busy doing something. Na maybe before. Okay. The whole room. I communicators from 47 constituencies with deputies. Hey, and Mahmud Kabore.
Near Budi.
Wow. Enti me man no ma enyetse mu de.
Okay.
Fie na konwa beto. Whoever wishes to contest is allowed.
Sure.
But mu ogidie say ye be hwe adwuma no na ye de agya wono abetumi ayo. Eba mafomu a obi bia obegina bibia na kompressium. Me frɛ omu nyina ba. Omu ye mpenifo omu ye mfefo. Nya ye abom.
Okay.
Amba mafomu which is the unlikely event.
Right.
Obia obenya so ni me na si akon ho akobɔ ni chidom. Amadwuma na ye but me wogidie.
Yeah.
Say ene ye to aba no a we should not get less than 75%.
May around the performance in terms of communication there. I'll be surprised if I'll be very, very much surprised. But yeah, and I'll put my boy.
Communication Abbas no redeeming.
I see. I mean, I'll be surprised. I'll be surprised if me who say ube stand tall among anybody who will come because me may surprise. But final words to Nipa ATO, assurance from the Lands and Natural Resources Ministry, and also to your party folks at Omuasi.
Mamefa akwenya sonkui na menda Ghana fo nyina ase. Ochita pa e dia tai ya so enechi for the past 1 year.
Okay.
A lot has been achieved, but much more is ahead of us. And until so masa ankabom no entna. Na yen hye nua no mu a agudie tu no mdidi ho se aban nchire agufo mu agudie tu.
Yeah.
Na mo ni yen hye se hawa na kwan ya ifa so tu no ade breye no ebesisa hawa no ano kwan na yen nyina yatimi adi ho asundwe mu a emfa hawa bia amre sanse hye nya yedodo no a mretia wa kai akasa e be role up fully the responsible cooperative mining obia benya biadi obia benya biaye nti mpepre wo ho emfa ho nkoto amanimu.
Yeah.
Bibika adia si wo manso akwesi so uni sema ye adwuma wo amanse pen. Nti that is my area pa.
Oh, okay.
Busunya bi this year na no ho aka. Ya mabusunya no yakọ. Mpihwemu gu so ekoso.
Sure.
Baby e de to asun Yoruba bia na e behwe na e de ato. Ni mu e be sere nana no mo. Se cooperative yi ba die. Omo ne mabuno no nkasa. Na omo nye no papa. Because akwenya also with mind papa didia. And then also okoye no boni na obi ba utumri ka kwto amenam. Ni nyina mo na no ya na ye ko manso nyankoma se. Eni asare krumu 800 acres of degraded minor area. Ya ko kremu nyina yedue nua. Enti sa mo ntimon ka bi wa kwasi so nyina ya aban ni so de hu ye be kwa katakata so. Ba yen kata so no de yentu mapu no fo. Se yen fa ye ho hye cooperative no se de be ya ye ho enko basem.
Okay.
Na me de manu si na me party for. Ukwa amanse ukọ Jakubu adanse ko atwema ene ne mpotemu. Said ye ho ye mining areas na sa na me party for no bi nso ye mining ne bi. Enu nti wo ye party ni a ntoro ho fa ho kokose because sekan a mini secretary wo ya so ye ho na sekan no fa no. Enim party enim party bi oto mmanuma wato nti ye nyina yemfa ho hye ye kura de ti ye se ya ban na aba it is easier to reach out to me than NPP ni or hear me. And to take that advantage, ni ye ma yina ye share you Asante Kotoko ni monyam. Ye share kan you Mampani John Romani Mahmud ni monyam. Ye fa share yina ye ho ni monyam. Sansa Ghana no enye mienu back up.
Right.
I mean share me NDC phone na no pay. We have a series of engagement.
Sure.
Penifo be on a party no cover by no. Even though grounds looks good, but the obuni yes for obuni the madi yes pattern. To no company for be na so akocho say nana no mu mo fa se mo ba mo nana. Emre no so me pese me de me ho bo afore be so party. No mu shira me. Na emu yedu. Na etimi adwuma no man so nipa ne nyame ani. That's bebre.
But that's Mahmud Kabore no spokesperson for the Lands and Natural Resources Minister.
Azem ni nyina we o man asore yakọ.
I say Brenaso. And I won't kasa.
And you can't because me bano. It's not can man I'm telling it.
And I was also
me drew kwam na me pay rubber bag black in Victoria.
Now so the bed.
And then you major. Now oba kunyo kukurun to me no oba. Masa me
and no kukura to me.
Ben show. What ya me wa ha nua na bibi nti wa free ya gambo abai me dey me to me rubber bag man talk esim to medium ni bi
get one
there be medium keto say
na me dey
tame nye kese na me nya no be dey bag but akokwa to be honest we take this opportunity na
sure
nye politics near more NDC abaso in terms of an appointment I am we are very happy say we ni mobi now on the radio on the kasa ye pon program I see it me gina anima almost 30 minutes now once in a while I see a man the first day I met an appointment and then and I was very happy I'm so cry now can and so cry me ba ha chekaka it me can say and no be near catch ye papa no ye nuanum panifo MPP fo no se nkola ne bra mom pagya o mon hye o mani munyam ya nom de say the mom ya bregu po man ya bra ya anya ogwagu na me ba bi adu de no mbeba me bi e de manu ntimi de me problem
na say appointment
manu nti o mom ma me
and nanado ngokrafo nyina ko bu mfie de say nru ba bia bra ne say
okay bi am ya akokra yi na but near fene say o ma ni pana kola o ma kola no position ni age no from the spokesperson it tells you baby a Kabore bit my day akọ
sure
it's a best rate penny for but na wa kan some many ade e chere say em say afin o mani aba Dr. Baumia digitalization because no
my remember
digitalization and I afin o say Baumia digitalization
guys okay come back
but on the more serious note or see but Heminia no redeem Heminia Safoje Heminia a friend say Hussein and I you am then call is it education at
say who's Abbas
the only Abbas call the only I can woman mututi communicate Patrick on say at least woman and I am can create penny 40 now I Ashanti region under 8 years a month years struggle 2012 up to 2015 position on my page in Yamuketo Ashanti region NDC saying on my it's enye obi na yet by a foot you pejan kola it tells you have a future party near there ewo na mo de nana kwaku mansa 78 in a tam position amano o se bonsu 69 in a tam position na nkola ito ahwadi so mo kwa o mu ntimi nko ono akotena o wie na fe na no osoma kobu ebreme how nti e besre nyame ya adom unzeze papa na ne hu ni bi okọ nti mo anda ho nye mama akwade ba papa de ba bi owura de na no odi o kwa obebo se de okọ mo anda ho mama yi na bro de bu ni pe ya bro keto a
nti o ma ka nyina de mu nsuro
oh mu da ho
o mo yi o mu ti no
jajaja mu da ho mama de na no mo ye tetem ye nyina ne boye hu
nti na
o ni yan penda ze de mu da ho ono wo ko de so ono tena wa wo ko obebo eno de me nkora me nsoso
so ko tete
obesi ba mo masa we nya yi
ko besa wi ni
nti o de onfa ne o ye bia glory ni nyina no onfa nkotena fie omo mba ne de ye gina ache ne ehwema emu da ho
isi
damra omo be page digitalization mu de chese ai
agogwa Robert ene ne party wo omo se emu da ho ntino omo betime nya kwanya no ma dem abo bo ma no but